Happening right now, crews are checking every single apartment at a Durham complex looking for any source of carbon monoxide.
This comes after more than a dozen people had to go to the hospital because of it. CBS 17's Crystal Price is live at McDougald Terrace right now where those inspections are underway. Crystal?
Yeah, those crews have been out here for several hours. Take a look. There are several work trucks out here. The crews have been going door to door to check everything in the apartments. The Durham housing officials say there are 2 contractors here today. They're checking for both carbon monoxide and mold. Now, they're looking at all of the gas appliances in the apartments. They're starting with the residents who didn't evacuate first. Some people I spoke with say they are glad these inspections are underway, and some don't think there is any problem here at all.
I'm just glad that they're out here to see everybody out here on the property out here doing what they're supposed to do this morning. And it's very nice that they're doing that and make us safe out here.
I'm not concerned. Me personally, I think a lot of people are just blowing it out of proportion. But, hey, that's my own opinion.
And this morning, a crew did tell us there have been some concerns at some of these apartments they inspected this morning, but they would not tell me what those concerns are. Now, it could take several hours for them to complete, several days for them to complete this. So I'm not sure when these residents will be able to come back home. Reporting live in Durham, Crystal Price, CBS 17 News.